Hello friends, and welcome to another review of a Bluetooth speaker. This one's called Monstercube 52 Fashion Portable Wireless Speaker. It's got a leather strap, shows 8 hours of playtime, fabric skin. The company is Monstercube, model is MC52. Audio input, it's got TF card as well. Bluetooth of course, and auxiliary. The battery is 3000 mAh, 3.7 V. Output 5 watts, 2 speakers, which isn't too bad. Power response, SN ratio, working voltage and things. Right, it's got more information behind. Fabric skin, playtime, Bluetooth 4.1, hi-fi audio, phone calls as well. Right, so let's just open it up and see what it's got. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video, of course. Thank you. Right, we've got here user guide, which we'll have a look if we need. Right, let's have a look at speaker. Oh right, the box was pretty big, but the speaker isn't that big. The weight looks okay, the feel wonderful, and the impressive bit, it's got TF card slot in there, auxiliary as you get in almost every speaker, charging and on and off, and it's got buttons at top, and you can hold it like this, you can put it anywhere, you can hang it anywhere. And it comes with the charging USB cable and the auxiliary cable as well. That's it. So we'll not look at all that, we'll just look at the speaker and see its performance, see how the performance of the speaker is. And for that purpose I'm actually going to use the royalty-free music from YouTube, otherwise we'll get into trouble for using someone else's music. But at the same time, because I want to see how the beats are, I'll probably just use, just for a few seconds, any song with some good beats. Right, so let's just turn it on. You can hear music when it turns on. You can see all these lights. Yeah, and even the volume button has lights on it, which looks really nice, very impressive. Right, so I'll connect my phone to it and play some music and then see how the performance is. So right, I'm hoping my phone has got connected to it, and I'll just play this one just for a few seconds. Right, I just played this for a few seconds to see how the beats are, and it sounds really great. I think for this size and for the price, how it feels, I'm quite impressed with the beats. Now let me find some other music, because only playing it for this much long doesn't really help. So I'll open the YouTube and find some royalty-free music and play the music at least for a few more seconds to see if it is any good. Right, there are loads and loads, so I'll just play any, and I hope it's not too bad. just changed it because I wanted to hear something different. Right, yeah, this one was much better to play and check the speaker. Sorry about the first one, as I didn't know how the music was on that one. But this one has actually made us check the speaker thoroughly. And my impressions are, I'm pretty impressed with the speaker, the sound quality, how the looks are, how it feels, and how portable and lightweight it is. For me, if I had to give it some points, I'd probably give, between 8 and 9 out of 10, and that would be because of many things. That would of course include the price that you pay for this. For that price, this is really good. How compact and handy it is, the looks and everything. So yeah, that's my verdict of the speaker. If again, I'll just request, if you like my video, if you like my review, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like the video. That's it for this one. Thank you. I'll see you more soon. Bye bye.